High five!
In this video, we are going to learn an easiest mnemonical way to remember the branches of subclavian artery. There are two subclavian artery on either side of the body. The right side is the right subclavian artery, and here this is the left subclavian artery. The right subclavian artery arises from the brachiocephalic artery, which in turn arises from the arch of aorta, and the left subclavian artery is directly arising from the arch of aorta. So the right subclavian artery arises from the brachiocephalic trunk, and the left subclavian artery arises directly from the arch of aorta. And so here these are the branches of subclavian artery: the vertebral artery, internal thoracic artery, thyrocervical trunk, costocervical trunk, and the dorsal scapular artery. So these are all the main branches of the subclavian artery, and here is an easiest mnemonical way to remember those branches. Look at the mnemonical term vitamin C and D. By using the term vitamin C and D, we can easily remember the branches of subclavian artery. So here vitamin V for vertebral artery, I for internal thoracic artery, T for thyrocervical trunk, C and D, C for costocervical trunk, and D for dorsal scapular artery. So by using the mnemonical term vitamin C and D, we can easily remember the main branches of subclavian artery.
Wow.